Hello student, this is Rajiv sir is going to explain you how to write a program. Student, in previous lecture, due to the network issue, there was a problem in giving complete explanation. So in this video, I made all that concept clear for you. Okay, तो basically I request you all, आप अपने नोटबुक और पेन साथ में रखो. Whatever basic things I will discuss you through this video, please write it down in your notebook. Okay, if any doubt or difficulty is there, then you can ask me in the lecture. So start. The student, the first thing we have to know that we are going to write a assembly language. We are learning a assembly language program. Assembly language program is a machine language. It is also considered as a high level programming language. Now student, since it is a machine language, now it is little bit difficult also, but it becomes very easy if you understand the basic concepts very thoroughly. Okay, so let us begin. Now the first thing is that how to declare a memory location. How to declare any memory location? The first thing you should keep in mind, in computer, every data is allocated with the memory. हर एक डेटा के पास मेमोरी लोकेशन होता है. कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन आप स्टोर करते हो, वो इंफॉर्मेशन किसी ना किसी लोकेशन पे स्टोर होता है, उसका लोकेशन रेडी होता है. तो अभी आप बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट वो लोकेशन माइक्रो प्रोसेसर खुद ही से डिक्लेयर करता है, लेकिन जब हम प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं तब हम लोगों को माइक्रो प्रोसेसर को बताना होता है कि ये लोकेशन है आपका, इस लोकेशन पे आपको ये कोड ऐसे, इस लोकेशन पे आपको कोड रखना है. तो हाउ टू डिक्लेयर. ओके, नाउ the first thing is LDA address. Now what is the work of this LDA address? First of all, the full form is load accumulator with the content of memory location. Okay, load accumulator with the content of memory location. One time again I'm saying load accumulator with the content of memory location. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आप accumulator को लोड करोगे जो कुछ भी memory location में उससे. Let us understand it with some concept. Now student, if I write LDA C200, now what it means, whatever जो कुछ भी C200 के पास होगा, ओके, वो सपोज C200 में आपने मेमोरी लोकेशन में 20 लिख दिया या 0 और 25 लिख दिया, तो 25 बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट एक्यूमुलेटर में भी जाएगा 25. ये काम होता है LDA का. तो वट एवर इज़ देयर इन मेमोरी लोकेशन, जो भी आप इनपुट दोगे वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट एक्यूमुलेटर में भी लोड हो जाएगा. ओके, तो एक्यूमुलेटर जस्ट इट विल लोड वट एवर इज़ देयर इन द मेमोरी लोकेशन. तो एक फॉर्मेट ये हो गया, मेमोरी लोकेशन को आपने इनिशियलाइज भी कर दिया और एक्यूमुलेटर में लोड भी कर दिया. राइट, नाउ दिस थिंग इज़ क्लियर टू यू. और ऑल्सो दिस इज़ अ 3 बाइट इंस्ट्रक्शन. ये 3 बाइट इंस्ट्रक्शन है. ओके, आई विल गिव यू वन मोर वीडियो ऑन दिस. 3 बाइट इंस्ट्रक्शन, 2 बाइट इंस्ट्रक्शन, 1 बाइट इंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे फाइंड करना है उसका ट्रिक मैं आपको, आप वो वीडियो के लिए वेट करो, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू. ओके, नाउ LDA एड्रेस, सपोज हियर इट इज़ रिटन, आई विल राइट इन दिस सपोज एग्जाम्पल LDA in place of address. What I will be writing, C200, whatever address I want, whatever address is given in a question I will be writing. जो भी एड्रेस आपके क्वेश्चन में वो आप लिख दोगे. ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया स्टूडेंट. चलो अभी एलेक्सा है, एक और फॉर्मेट है एलेक्सा एच कॉमा एड्रेस. अब इसका मीनिंग क्या है, लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग. सबसे पहले स्टूडेंट, एलेक्सा एच कॉमा एड्रेस का मतलब क्या होता है. जब हमारे पास ग्रुप ऑफ लोकेशन होगा, मेमोरी लोकेशन आपको ऐसा चाहिए जिसका कंटिन्यूस. ओके, जब एक दो लोकेशन अलग अलग रहेंगे तो आप LDA लिख सकते हो, लेकिन जब एक कंप्लीट ग्रुप को आपको लेके चलना है तो हर एक को आप स्पेसिफाई नहीं करोगे ना LDA. हर एक बार LDA लिखोगे तो आपका प्रोग्राम कितना बड़ा हो जाएगा, राइट. प्रोग्राम का लेंथ बड़ा हो जाएगा, मेमोरी लोकेशन ज़्यादा यूज़ होगा। तो हमें क्या करना है, अपने प्रोग्राम्स को छोटा बनाना है। अब अपने प्रोग्राम्स को ईजी बनाना है। जब कभी भी आपके पास ग्रुप ऑफ मेमोरी लोकेशंस होंगे, जब आपके ग्रुप ऑफ मेमोरी लोकेशन, तो आप क्या लिखते हो, व्हाट यू विल राइट, आप लिखते हो LXI H,C200। अगर मैंने ऐसा लिखा तो ये क्या होगा, सपोज इसमें मैंने रखा है डेटा ना, सपोज इसमें डेटा है 12, तो C200 ये जो 12 है बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट वहाँ पे एक्यूमुलेटर में जाएगा, इसमें किस में जाएगा, मेमोरी में जाएगा। इसमें बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इट विल गो इन मेमोरी, इट विल गो इन द मेमोरी। तो दिस हैव अंडरस्टूड, दिस मच इज़ क्लियर टिल नाउ, यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया। ओके ओके, अभी एम हाउ वी गॉट एम कैसे मिला आपको। HL पर एक साथ में कलेक्ट होके मेमोरी बनता है, HL पर एक साथ में कलेक्ट होके क्या बन जाएगा, मेमोरी। HL पर एक साथ में कलेक्ट होगा और आपको क्या मिलता है, मेमोरी मिलता है, राइट। ओके, नाउ इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्रांसफर डेटा बिटवीन रजिस्टर्स एंड रजिस्टर्स के बीच में अगर आपको डेटा ट्रांसफ़र करना है तो आप क्या करोगे, what you will do, how you will do in this। first always remember register is 8 bit, so 8 bit data, register is how much bit, 8 bit data, the size register is 8 bit। now in this how many basic registers we have register A, B, C, D, E, H, L, these are the registers, but our most popular we will be using the use of this many register, इतना ही registers का हमेशा यूज़ करते हैं। but in some time we use accumulator basically used for just storage purpose, तो accumulator को भी हम consider करते हैं। तो accumulator will act as a primary also and secondary also, accumulator primary register और secondary register दोनों का काम करता है, ठीक है। यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया, ओके। Now the question comes how to move. Now always remember I have one register, I have here A, here it is B, okay, here it is C। A में मेरे पास 10 है, B में 20 है, C में 25 है। अगर मैंने ऐसा लिखा move B, A, तो what will happen, whatever is there in B will come in A, whatever is there in A will come into B। A में जो कुछ भी है वो B में आ जाएगा। तो A में क्या है 10, तो 10 बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट कॉपी होके B में आ जाएगा। तो B में अभी हमारे पास डेटा क्या बचेगा, B में 20 नहीं होगा, अभी हमारे पास होगा 10। अंडरस्टूड, दिस मच इज़ क्लियर, ओके। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड अ सोर्स and this is called a destination, इसको destination बोलते हैं, okay। now next, see the next concept, how to transfer data between registers and memory। how to transfer data between registers and memory। suppose I have a registers, here we have the register CPAC, I have written all the basic टू ट्रांसफर डेटा बिटवीन रजिस्टर्स एंड मेमोरी। रजिस्टर्स और मेमोरी के बीच में आप डेटा कैसे ट्रांसफ़र करोगे, तुम रजिस्टर्स एंड दिस इज मेमोरी। नाउ हाउ यू विल ट्रांसफर, वी विल मेक यूज ऑफ मूव। इफ आई वांट टू टेक अ डेटा फ्रॉम रजिस्टर, ओके, लेट अस कंसिडर विथ वन एग्जांपल। सपोज हियर इट इज अ मेमोरी, ओके, in this there is a number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, okay। now here it is a register A, okay, okay, always remember memory is pointed in this way। if here it is 12, okay, if I write move A comma M, तो whatever is there in M will come into A। M में क्या है 10, A के पास आ जाएगा तो हमारा A हो जाएगा 10, A will be 10। इफ़ आई राइट इन अनदर वे, अगर मैंने अलग तरीके से लिखा, ओके, अगर मैंने अलग से लिखा, देखो अभी यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ 20 के 15 लिखता हूँ, ओके। और अगर मैंने ऐसा लिखा मूव m कॉमा a, तो a वॉट एवर इज देयर इन a विल कम इन टू मेमरी। तो a के पास क्या 10, इट विल कम इन टू मेमरी एंड आई विल गेट। तो बेसिकली for memory to register we make use of m. Understood? This much is clear. Okay, now next, always remember the result after arithmetic and logical operation is stored in accumulator. Always remember our answer will be stored in accumulator. Okay, after arithmetic and logical operations result will come into accumulator. Okay, now whenever you have to store result in memory location, then take a help of the result in memory location. Take a help of accumulator. Always remember this point. You have to take the help of accumulator. If you want to store result in memory location, then take help of accumulator. Now, how to store result using accumulator? How to store a result using accumulator? How? See the way. Suppose I have a location. Here it is location C200H. Okay, and here in accumulator I have number like 50. I want to store into this. So I want this 50 to come in location. What I will write? I will write STA, means accumulator will be stored. Whatever address you have to write that address C200H. It will store the content of accumulator into location. So this is instruction STA C200H. This much is clear. Okay, now this is a format. Address means any address you can write. Suppose if I write STA C400H, so in place of address we can write this number. Okay, now let's start writing program. Are you all ready to write a program now? Okay, now if you have to write a code for addition of two numbers, suppose two different numbers are there. Let us take one example. If I have a number 03 plus 05, how I will write a code? Let us make a code. Okay, now just consider this question. Write an assembly language program to add two 8-bit numbers present in memory location C200H and C201H and store the result in C300H. Now in this, how many inputs is there? 1, 2. These are the two inputs. And where is my result? My result is in C300. Now what I have to do? I have to add. Now first thing, we have to make a location. We will have to make a location. Which location I am going to make? I am going to make a location C200. What I will write? LDA C200. Right? I made a location. I wrote LDA C200. Now whatever is there in C200 will come into accumulator also. If I give a input like 03 is there in C200, it will come in accumulator. The accumulator may be 03 million. Now I have to move this number. Now what was there in accumulator? 03. I will copy this in D also. So now in D I have 03. So A was having 03. Okay, now it got copied into register D. Now both the place we have this number. Now I will make another location LDA C201. Now in this it was 05. So now accumulator will contain 05. This is the reason why we move. If we don't have move, then what will happen? If we don't move, then the result will get overwrite. Our content will get overwritten. हमारा content overwrite हो जाएगा. Okay, right? Now accumulator के पास क्या है? 05 और इसके पास और D के पास क्या है? 03 है. Now add D. What is the meaning of this? A plus D and the result will come in A. So what is there in A? 05, D 03. Do the addition, you will get 08. Okay, do the addition, you will get 08. Let us do this with some number. I am converting 0 0 0 0. This is for this 0. Okay, now 5 0 1 0 1. This is for the 5. Now same way 03. This 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, now 3 0 0 1 1. Do the addition. 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? 0. I will get 1 carry. I will get 1 carry. To 1 1 again 0. I got 1 carry. 1 1 0. I got 1 carry. 1. I got 1. Okay, and here all it is 0. Now this becomes your 0. This becomes 8. I got a result 0 8. Now this 0 8 is in accumulator. Now just remember how to store. If I have to store a result in accumulator in memory location, I have to make use of accumulator. So I will write STSC300. So our A is having 0 8 will go into location C300. Now I will get in C300 0 8. Okay. Now this means it will stop the program. It will make the microprocessor that this is the last instruction, so it will stop. Now just try to write the whole code by yourself. Pause this video and try to write the code by yourself. Try. Now consider second example. In second example, we will write a program to subtract 2. Let us consider the question. Write an assembly language program to subtract 2 8-bit number present in memory location C200H and C201H and store the result in C300H. The first step in this, when you are going to subtract, remember in subtraction we get different result. If I write 5 minus 3, I will get result different. If I write 0 3 minus 0 5, I get both the cases, I get the result different. Here I will get 0 2, but here I will get negative. See the result, both the result will be different. So what we have to do? Always remember, the first place will be given to accumulator and the second place is given to register. Then the result comes in accumulator. So you have to take care that first place, whatever is there, it will come into accumulator. So for that purpose, we have to first write this location. सबसे पहले आप ये लोकेशन लिखोगे, C201 लिखोगे. You will write C201. Or you will make like location LDA C201H. Okay. Now what is the purpose of this? Whatever is there in 01. First let me clear. C200 will have 0 5. C201 will have 0 3. Now what is there in C201? 0 3. So this 0 3 will come into accumulator. Okay, got it? This 0 3 came into accumulator. Now what I will do? I will move this 0 3. I will move this content. This 0 3 is there in accumulator will get moved into D. Okay. Now A is having 0 3. The same way D is also having 0 3. Now our basic one result is gone into D. Now we will make one more register result LDA C200. Now what was there in C200? Just go back 0 5. Now, if I write 0 C200, so what I will be writing here 0 5. So the 0 5 will go into accumulator. The 0 5 will be present into accumulator. Okay. Now the 0 5 is present into accumulator. In D we have 0 3. Now if we subtract, so our format is A minus D is A. So A is what? 0 5. D is what? 0 3. The same question we decided C previously, 0 5 and 0 3. This we have done. We got the same format. If we have not used this LDAC 201, so we may have got a result differently, like 3 minus 0 5. So everyone, have you understood this? Now I will do subtraction. I'll write sub D. Why I have written sub D? Whatever result is there, you don't have to write A, you have to write only D. Okay, so sub D. Okay, now result will come in accumulator. Now accumulator will have the result. Whatever 5 minus 3, you have 0 2. Now this result I have to take into memory. I have to take this result into memory. How I will take? I will take this with the help of C300, STA C300. I will write STA C300. So whatever is there in 02 will come into location C300. So C300 will contain 02. Whatever that was there into accumulator. This much is clear, and this will make our program to know that we have stop. Now we stop the program. Stop करने के लिए ये program आपको instruction देगा. After that, okay, this much is clear to you. Okay, so this much is there for your two program basic things. I have tried to explain you. मैंने try किया आपको ये explain करने के लिए basic things addition और subtraction के लिए. तो आप इसे एक दो बार आप observe करो, 2 or 3 times go through this video. You will come to know how to write the code. Okay, and you will really enjoy writing the code. Only this much code if you're writing in theory exams, you will be getting 5 marks, and same thing if you write in the practical exam and you execute, you will get 50 marks. Understood? I hope that you have understood. Any doubt is there, please ask me during the lectures. Okay, so here I stop the lecture. Thank you.